What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? It's Monday. Glad to have y'all back. This one's gonna be a quick one. This one's just gonna be an update video. I want to go over two things with y'all. First thing is gonna be where I want to go from here. I'll explain on that in just a second. The second thing I want to do is explain on where I want to go in the future as for the corrado. So, hope y'all guys are having a fantastic day. Hope y'all guys are having a good one. So, where I want to go with the channel and all the social media and stuff, I've been doing this, now I got 14, 15 videos up now, so I'm starting to find kind of a rhythm, a groove type deal, like Emperor's New Groove. Yeah, that's right. But where I want to go with this channel, the reason why I didn't name this channel after me is because I want to do like a more of a community based channel. Yes, the channel is majority about me and my builds, but I want to do more than that. I want to reach out. I would like to do car reviews, and stuff like that. If y'all want to do a review, please let me know. I won't be as good as some people that do it in blue. Cough, cough. I love his car reviews. Big shout out. Love reviews. But I want to do something more of like on Instagram. Y'all guys shoot me some pictures of your car, and I'll upload. I want to do upload every day. So that way y'all guys feel drawn in, more into the process, part of the community. Show off your car, get a shout out, stuff like that. I want to do things like that. Yeah, the Instagram page is going to be how I majority communicate with y'all, but I want to do something for y'all. And as for YouTube, I hear y'all guys. I know y'all guys want to see more corrado content, and I want to give it to y'all. So bear with me if it's small things here and there, until we get the channel bigger and I can do more things I want to do that to the corrado and that y'all guys want to see. But it takes every one of y'all to subscribe, spread the word, put it out there so we can start doing more, so I can start showing y'all more and whatnot. So make sure you spread the word. And as for the corrado, I plan on doing a lot more to it. I like to do and just a couple things because I don't want to give too much away, so y'all guys stay tuned with it. Of course, wheels. I like to do a sunroof swap from the metal to the sheet metal moonroof to the glass sunroof that comes in the Mark III Jets, Golfs, and Passats. I know that'd be a very, very interesting video to do, and it'll be very educational for everybody. So new wheels, sunroof swap. Right now, I like to keep the corrado NA unless I can find a good. Because I'm in between which way I want to go with it right now, supercharged or turbo. So right now I'm gonna hold that off. And I like to bag it. I would be interested in bagging the corrado. I'm so excited about on this. I've been talking this over, and it just seems like the right thing to do. I know the right thing to do gets lost in translation on, what's your goal in this? I'm open book. Y'all guys know. If I get back to y'all, hopefully y'all show me love and watch videos, and I can give y'all entertainment and not kill people on the freaking interstate, but give y'all guys entertainment and help promote y'all in return. So that's basically all I wanted to say. I'm trying to make it home without killing somebody. hope y'all have a great day, great week, and y'all stay safe. Y'all work hard this week. Or if you're off this week, have a great vacation. But anyways, hope y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. And I'll see you. I'll definitely see y'all next time. I'll see y'all next Monday with a new vlog. If y'all have any suggestions about the channel, please drop in the comment section below. Like I said, follow me on Instagram, Beardsandgears 615. Hit me up in the DMs with your pictures so I can start sharing them on Instagram. Email me. You can email me, beardsandgears615@gmail.com. I'm here for y'all. I'm here to help y'all in return for y'all helping me. So y'all have a good one. I'll see y'all next time. I'll see you next Monday, and y'all have a good one. Bye.